Nurse Ryan, I'm concerned about Mr. Peter's deteriorating condition. It's time to discuss end-of-life care options with him and his family.
That's a difficult conversation to have. Should I initiate the discussion, or would you like to speak with them directly?
I think it would be best for me to have a direct conversation. I can explain Mr. Peter's prognosis and discuss the available options.
I'll schedule a meeting with Mr. Peter and his family to address their questions and concerns.
We'll need to provide them with information about palliative care, hospice services, and other end-of-life options. It's important to support them during this challenging time.
Are there any specific concerns or preferences that Mr. Peter has expressed regarding his end-of-life care?
He's previously mentioned a desire to avoid prolonged suffering and to be comfortable in his final days. We should discuss his wishes with his family and ensure they understand the available options.
Mihira, I truly hear how much you are struggling right now, and I want nothing more than for you to find lasting relief from this pain. While the urge to increase your dosage is a natural response to such intense discomfort, I must gently but firmly advise against making that change. My primary concern is your safety and long-term recovery, as taking more than the prescribed amount can, unfortunately, trigger a cycle that makes your condition much harder to manage. When we increase this specific medication beyond the recommended limit, it often leads to what we call rebound migraines. Instead of providing extra relief, the body becomes oversensitized, causing the headaches to return more frequently and with even greater intensity. This can inadvertently shift your progress backward, leading to a persistent state of discomfort that is resistant to standard treatment. Furthermore, higher doses carry an elevated risk of systemic side effects that could impact your overall well-being. We want to ensure your path to healing remains steady and safe, focusing on sustainable relief rather than a temporary fix that might cause more harm. Please continue with the current plan so we can monitor your progress safely.